Minnesota Department of Natural Resources has an ongoing initiative to implement and utilize renewable energy in their facilities across the state to further energy conservation, education, and reduce the agency's carbon footprint. The DNR has been working on energy conservation projects for more than 30 years, including insulation, improved windows and doors, earth-sheltered buildings, proper solar orientation, daylighting, limited site lighting, and energy-efficient lighting. Recently, several DNR projects were completed. The Camden State Park Contact Center is the DNR's first energy net zero building. The renewable energy system consists of a 10-kilowatt wind turbine, which provides nearly 100% of the building's energy requirements. And the geothermal heat pump system consumes 33% less energy than a conventional system. This reduces carbon dioxide emissions by more than 23,000 pounds each year.
We needed a larger office. We needed something more energy efficient. The old building had all electric heat and was very expensive to heat and cool. Also, the part of the project was to reuse and recycle as much of the building as possible. The building was enlarged by about 50% over the original building. Took off the flat roof and mounted this metal roof on the building, and it's higher insulation values than we had. Some of the walls in the old building were not insulated. The heating source now is the geothermal heating and cooling, which is not using any fossil fuels except for the electricity to run it. We also requested the option of looking at either solar panels, photovoltaic panels, or the wind turbine. Payback time they're looking at right now is probably between 13 and 15 years. The park's not going anywhere, and we're using bonding money. A 20-year payback is typically what they look at.
The McQuade Public Water Access is a popular rest stop and the DNR's first major photovoltaic installation. The 2-kilowatt solar array is estimated to produce roughly 2,500 kilowatt hours of energy annually. Visitors to the site are encouraged to learn more about solar power through an interpretive display at the site. Douglas Lodge, located in Itasca State Park, was outfitted with a geothermal system to supply heating and cooling to the building, which consumes less energy than conventional systems and has reduced the use of propane at the lodge. John Filardo, principal engineer of the project, described the system for us.
Our geothermal system is a groundwater heat pump type system. So it's water to air heat pumps. So we have 33 vertical heat exchangers that are part of the system, and then they go to a manifold and feed 5 heat pumps that are located in the Douglas Lodge. Those heat pumps transfer the energy to air, and then that air is sent throughout the lodge. By choosing the parking lot area for the placement of the vertical heat exchangers, we were able to avoid any cultural or natural resource impacts. We know that we are saving still about $6,000 a year in total energy to run the system.
The DNR has 19 state parks that are currently utilizing neighborhood electric vehicles for routine maintenance work. Presently, the fleet consists of 22 vehicles. The vehicles are charged through standard electricity outlets, and research is being done on installing solar charging stations. Through these efforts, the DNR has reduced over 15,000 kilowatt hours of electricity and 28,000 pounds of carbon dioxide emissions.